everyone. I am a Convoso learner from Empathy Technology. Welcome to our new video series all about Convoso. Okay, the cloud-based style helping call center drive real result. If you have work in a sale or a support team or run outbound campaigns, you will want to know what Convoso can do for you. Today's video is about the basics like what is Convoso, how it's work, and why it's matter. Okay, now let's understand the introduction of Convoso. Convoso is a cloud-based outbound call solutions designed for high-volume call centers, but it is more just a dialer. It combines automated dialings, real-time analytics, lead management, and complaint tools in a single platform. The goal: help your team spend more time talking to real people and less time waiting or chasing dead leads. Okay, now understand why Convoso is dependent. Unlike traders, Convoso used advanced features like predicting dialings and local caller IDs to improve contact rate. It also includes dynamic scripting to guide agent in real time, workflow automation to reduce manual tasks, and smart dashboards to help manage monitors like performance. Okay, it is all about smart caller, not just fast caller. Now, next topic is why use Convoso. Yeah, who use Convoso? Okay, Convoso is trusted across industries for solar and instant to real estimate and collection. If your team depend on reach lot of leads every day, Convoso help you do it more efficient and effectively. In the end, conclusion. Convoso empowers business to connect faster, work smarter, and boost in result through advanced calling technology. So that Convoso is a nutshell, a powerful all-in-one dialer built to improve agents' output, connect with more leads, and drive revenue. In the next video, we will explore the biggest benefit of using Convoso in your call center. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Thank you so much and have a nice day.